So hey guys, Abel here, and this is my Swift Desire. Okay, and I'm having this problem of wiggly gear shift. Okay, with whatever gear I put, it goes only in third. Right now it's going, but it's not. It just goes. It does not go in any gear. See, as you can see, it just stays in. Cannot even do reverse. All right, it just go up, down, not even fifth. Okay. So right now I'm gonna solve this issue. Okay, so you see this black thing over here, the lever, the hand of it. There is this, you see that thing moving. It was needed to supposed to move along with this part, and this should be moving all along together, but it is not moving because of the bush. You can see on its hand, it is having that bush. That thing is warped, you can see. We just need to change that. So this is the small bush which is needed to be replaced. It just cost 26 rupees from MGA. You can get this, just ask them to give the bushing for the gear shifter, and they'll give it to you. So guys, pretty easy. You can just yank this off, this panel. When you get off the shifter boot, you just can pull it and it comes open. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, you can see this is the problem. So the washer fell. I don't know where it went. That's all right. So as you can see, you can just place the bushing onto this. Okay, you can just push it. I don't want it to lose. I also have not read the manual, but this is all. I just think that it works like this. So I wish I had a flathead screwdriver. Okay, oops. The only thing I want is to lose this right now. Okay. Let's just see the opposite side of this. So this thing is having a bigger groove. Since now you can see the bushing is inside there. Okay, now I just need to put that adapter into that collar. Okay, I just have to push it. Okay, yeah, and now you can see it's working. First gear, it's getting stuck on. Second, third, whatever gear you see, it is just holding that thing into its place. Okay, so now the shifter is working all right. 1, 2, staying in its place. 3, 4. I need some clutching. This is the reverse. Okay, lads. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.